All right, welcome. Today we are diving into a recipe that could seriously change the way you think about bread. Yeah, I'm talking high protein, zero flour, and unbelievably delicious. If that sounds like something you're into, you have come to the right place.
So let's start with a big question. Can bread actually be a high-protein, healthy part of your meal? I mean, we all love bread, but let's be honest, it's usually just a bunch of carbs. But what if we could totally flip that idea on its head? What if your daily slice was actually a protein-packed powerhouse? Well, guess what? We found the answer.
And that answer comes from a creator named Anna. She has this amazing philosophy that good food isn't just about taste, it's about giving you the motivation to live a healthier life. And this incredible lentil bread, it's the perfect example of that. So what exactly is lentil bread? Well, it's a total game changer. Instead of using flour, the base is red lentils. Then you pack it with even more protein from cottage cheese and eggs. What you get is this dense, super satisfying loaf that's completely gluten-free and just loaded with nutrients.
Okay, now for the fun part, the ingredients. And I think you're going to be surprised by how simple and easy to find all this stuff is. So let's break down exactly what you'll need to make this amazing bread.
The heart and soul of this bread really comes down to these three things. You've got your red lentils, which give it all its substance. Then you have 3 eggs for structure and even more protein. And finally, cottage cheese for moisture and, you guessed it, more protein. This is the power trio right here. But of course, we need fantastic flavor and texture. So we're adding salt, garlic powder, a little olive oil, and some ground coriander for a really nice savory flavor. The baking powder and soda give it a nice lift, and the lemon juice helps activate that soda. But the real secret weapon here is the psyllium. It acts like a binder, kind of doing the job that gluten would normally do, holding everything together perfectly. And for that wonderful crunch and some extra nutrients, we've got pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Now here's a little pro tip from Anna you do not want to skip. Toast them in a dry pan for just a minute or two before you add them in. It makes their nutty flavor pop. It's so worth it.
All right, we have all our ingredients lined up. Let's get into the process. You're about to see just how incredibly simple it is to go from these basic components to a beautiful golden loaf of bread.
First things first, you're going to soak your red lentils for about 2 hours. This just softens them up. Once that's done, drain them really well and combine them in a bowl with your eggs and cottage cheese. Then grab an immersion blender and just go to town until that batter is totally smooth. Okay, next up, this is where we really bring the batter to life. You're going to add all those flavor and texture ingredients we just talked about, the spices, the olive oil, the baking powder, and soda. Then stir in the psyllium and those delicious toasted seeds and give it all one last really good mix. Now listen up, because this next step is so important. But don't worry, it's also super easy. You have to let the batter just sit and rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. This little break is when the psyllium works its magic, soaking up the moisture and thickening the batter into a real bread-like consistency. So once your batter is nice and thick, it's go time. Go ahead and grease a loaf pan, pour that beautiful batter in, and smooth out the top. If you want that classic bakery look, just make a little cut down the middle and sprinkle a few more of those toasted seeds right on top. All right, it's time to bake. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit. That nice, moderate temperature is really the key to getting a perfect, even bake where the inside gets cooked through without the outside getting burnt. Now, just pop it in the oven and let it bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when it has a beautiful golden brown crust. And trust me, your entire house is going to smell absolutely incredible. But wait, we're not done, because what's amazing fresh bread without the perfect topping, right? Well, Anna also shared a super simple recipe for a high-protein tuna spread that is just the perfect partner for this loaf. For this delicious topping, you're going to need a couple of boiled eggs, a can of tuna, some yummy sun-dried tomatoes for flavor, fresh dill, a squeeze of lime juice for that little bit of zest, a tablespoon of cream cheese to make it all creamy, and of course, a little salt and pepper. And the best part? Making this is ridiculously easy. Seriously, just put everything into a bowl, give it a good mix, and that's it. In about a minute, your delicious protein-packed topping is ready to go. And there you have it. Just like that, you've created a complete, incredibly healthy, and oh so satisfying meal. That warm, savory lentil bread paired with that fresh, creamy tuna snack, it is truly the perfect reward for, let's be honest, not a lot of effort. Okay, final instruction. And this one might be the hardest one of all. You absolutely must let the bread cool down completely before you slice it. I know, it's so tempting to cut into it when it's warm, but trust me on this. Letting it cool allows the inside to set so you get those perfect, clean slices that don't fall apart. Patience is everything here.
So what's the final verdict? Well, let's hear it straight from Anna, the creator herself. Her words were simple. This is very delicious. Enjoyed your meal. It's just a simple, happy stamp of approval. And honestly, we could not agree more. So you can see how just a few smart swaps can completely transform a staple like bread into a nutritional powerhouse. And that kind of gets you thinking, doesn't it? It leaves us with a final question for you. What's a simple recipe that has totally changed the way you eat for the better? Something to think about. Thanks for joining me today.